Phishing remains one of the most effective types of attacks in a cyber criminal's arsenal, and one group has decided to make it easier than ever to get started with phishing attacks. A phishing operation dubbed BulletProofLink has been discovered to be providing attackers with everything they need for their phishing attacks. The operation provides everything from phishing kits and templates to hosting services and other useful tools. The service provides more than 100 different phishing templates. These copy known brands like Microsoft and Google, and even creates unique subdomains to associate with the phishing campaigns. In one instance, over 300,000 subdomains were generated in a single run. The BulletProofLink organization provides services for as much as $800 per month, while individual services can actually cost much less. For instance, a one-time hosting link may only cost around $50, and you know what? First-time customers, they get a 10% discount. Acronis Advanced Email Security scans emails coming into users' accounts and blocks any emails that contain malicious content. Additionally, the URL filtering included in Acronis Cyber Protect blocks access to known malicious URLs where phishing forms and other malicious payloads are often hosted.